like shots of there are these huge bins of bottles there to be used.
UNIFI's textile mill in Yadkinville is one of the most advanced recycling facilities in the U.S. This plant has processed more than 5 billion plastic bottles into reprieve fiber used in various name brand products such as Patagonia, Levi, and Ford. UNIFI has been able to remain competitive in the United States without outsourcing by automating their processes. Charlie King was another key factor in UNIFI competing with outsourced companies. King developed the reprieve process of using recycled plastics to create polyester yarns. He is often credited with saving the company from the brink of collapse.
You see on the news, our brilliant politicians say for the U.S. to get competitive, we got to get into more automation. Well, where have they been? You've seen forever auto plants have got robots doing everything that robots can do today. Plants like this is not unique. This plant is 20 years old. It was automated when it was built. This kind of stuff's all over the place.
Aside from outsourced labor costs being nearly equivalent to automated plants, there are several other significant benefits of automation.
You visualize picking up this 40-pound package of yarn. You can't do it manually. You at least have to have some kind of an assist that you put it in there and move it. You can't pick it up without messing up that yarn. I can buy a robot, but I can't hire 20 people. They won't come to work this day. So that's the way things are going though.
But these adaptations have come with a cost. Extensive automation is the price American factories have to pay in order to survive the largely outsourced textile industry.
For me, the most interesting part about the UNIFI experience and seeing the reprieve factory was the sheer volume of machinery and how few people were actually there operating the machines.
Yeah, and I also noticed there were just like a ton of safety signs and like personal things, people like referencing their family, which was something interesting because they take that very seriously.
Yeah, before we actually went in on like the tour, when we were back in like the break room area, there were signs everywhere showing like always have a hard hat when you're in the room, earplugs and all that, and it was just cool to see because we actually got to talk to like Jason Motluk about how the conditions in Bangladesh were so like poor for the workers, but then we go there and it's just a huge difference because you see here people are constantly reminded of safety practices and what to do on the job.